The situation is now tense in the ruling party ZANU-PF. Wataona kuti the top brass, the top leadership of the ruling party ZANU-PF, kwaita chaos, kwaita malfunctions. Other people that are supporting President E.D. Mnangagwa, but the majority panguwa ino, it is now supporting VP Constantino Chiwenga. Panguwa ino chinoka kunzi people now they are now in light. Panguwa ino pakunyaso kuona kuti nyika yeZimbabwe kubva kupi ichienda kupi. Zambira mashoko kuda panguwa ino atunoti each and every day atishai complaints, atishai mashoko anoyachitaurwa pamusoro awapa President E.D. Mnangagwa ndoti subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Payendo ye President ati 2030 chikora zvikananda amudanyira achiti ED intends to privatize every public institution. We already have Auxilia Mnangagwa School of Nursing and Auxilia Mnangagwa High School. Now he plans to rename 45 major roads after his own family members. Does he think everything belongs to the Mnangagwa? Enough is enough. Doma shwamra shtoka panguwa ine ne andi zvikananda. Panguwa ine anoendera mberi zvikare vachara vachiti the next president of the Republic of Zimbabwe is General Constantino Chiwenga, not because someone appointed him, not because of a party resolution said so, but because Zimbabwe's history selected him long before any ballot paper was designed. November 2017, he delivered. The liberation struggle, he fought. The Second Republic, he anchors. Generals don't campaign, they arrive. Rashika Kamba. Doma developments are rubuda panguwa ino atoka pamusoro pemutungamirir wenyika pauchina VP Constantino Chiwenga toonekwa kunzi President E.D. Mnangagwa is being attacked. Panguwa ino anenge achiexposewa and VP Constantino Chiwenga is being embraced. Panguwa ino achinzi is the best fit to lead the nation. Nakume section metu zavugura imo tukudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Usawa subscribe or like chito on the bell icon.